Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine and yes, thank you very much that you're waiting for this book. So this is an overview of the book that we are discussing, that is Comprehensive MCQs on English Literature and Linguistics. So the good thing about this book is that it contains over 5,000 MCQs on English language, literature, and it also has like a series, almost 400 interview questions. And wherever you go, whatever your center is, I feel that these questions will help you a lot. Soon we are going to start the interview session as well when the class is done with the test, and I hope all of you get success. My prayers are always with you because you've been very nice students. So this book is launching soon, and by the end of this week, from today's day, it will be available in Urdu Bazaar, and it will be in markets. So those of you who are sitting outside somewhere, outside Lahore, they can order the book online. I'm trying for that, and to 30 major cities this book would be delivered online. Definitely delivery cost will be there. That may not be more than 200 maximum. The book is written with full concentration, and it has all the MCQs that I had prepared for my channel, and all those which I feel that they're important for a student of PPSC or FPSC, for both, or for any lectureship interview or exam. So I have taken very good care of the fact कि इसमें कोई गलती ना हो, क्योंकि मार्केट में जो MCQs की बुक्स होती हैं उनमें बहुत सारी गलतियाँ होती हैं. I have tried my level best, but to err is human. कहीं पे अगर कोई गलती हो तो माफ़ कीजिएगा, लेकिन मेरी कोशिश है कि गलती ना हो. So you can trust this book. Moreover, for Lahore guys who are in Lahore, they can get this book from Urdu Bazaar. The address is given right on the title, and that can also be obtained from CALT. That is in Township, that is our institution of English language. So you can either go to Urdu Bazaar or you can come to CALT to get the book. So let's see what the book is all about. So we have MCQs starting from history of English literature. So you can easily see that Old English period, Anglo-Norman age, Renaissance, age of Shakespeare, Puritan age, Restoration era, Augustan age, Neoclassical age, Romantic age, the Victorian age, and the 20th century literature, post-colonial criticism, contemporary literature. So this is the history section. And then coming to the literature section, we are starting with Greek literature, and then prologue to the Canterbury Tales, then Dr. Faustus, Divine Comedy by Dante, and first English epic poem Beowulf. Then Macbeth, Fairy Queen, Othello, The Importance of Being Earnest, Paradise Lost, The Rape of the Lock, Beowulf again, like this is exclusively on Beowulf. Then John Donne, Pride and Prejudice, Emma, Frankenstein, David Copperfield, so this is novel section, Charles Dickens, about him, about his novels, Jane Eyre, Adam Bede, then Tess of D'Urbervilles, The Mill on the Floss, so this is Victorian novel era, George Eliot, and about her life and novels, Return of Native, A Tale of Two Cities, and then towards American literature, we have American poetry, Adriana Rich, American drama. So the list is in front of you, and this goes and goes. Like you can see, Morning Becomes Electra, Gulliver's Travels, Bacon, Things Fall Apart, Ulysses, Dubliners, The Cherry Orchard. Like I'm taking the most important names from the list. List is too long. Browning, Shelley, Coleridge, then literary theories which include literary criticism, deconstruction, feminist criticism, and then formalism, generally about literary criticism, psychoanalytical theory, structuralism, new historicism, and then the most ignored ones, which were ignored previously, they are Indian English writers, South Asian literature, and then again about linguistics. So this is all the detailed thing about linguistics. Like no other book contains this much of like material on linguistics. So we have phonetics and phonology, morphology and syntax, sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, pragmatics, linguistics in general, discourse analysis, like it is a huge file about discourse analysis in 3 divisions, academic reading and writing skills, language in use, which is about grammar, then past papers of PPSC, they are given, and finally lectureship interview, important questions. So it is having more than 400 pages, and this is content list, the previous content list that I had, but in book form it has more pages with it. So it has above 400 pages, and this is going to be a very good addition to your stock, your library, and your knowledge. That's what I believe. So all those guys who cannot watch all the MCQs, like students cannot find all the MCQs, I have already told you कि जब भी आपने कोई material search करने मेरे channel पे, just name the material: Hamlet, Jahanzeb, Jahan; PPSC English, Jahanzeb, Jahan; interview preparation, Jahanzeb, Jahan. This is the best code to find things on my channel. So otherwise, second is to go to the playlist. Playlists मौजूद हैं, आप उसमें जाके अपनी मर्जी का जो author या video या genre, you can watch it from there. So inshallah by Sunday, I am very much hopeful that the book is launched, and after that I'll tell you that it is available in market, and then up to you. I'm looking for your success as well, and I'm looking for like my success of this book, because I have done pretty pretty hard work for that, and I know how I have compiled everything, looking into the fact that nothing goes wrong, because that is about your future. So thank you very much, and stay tuned. I'll be meeting you through the lines of the book, through the text of my book, and that is going to help you. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.